Hello you guys. So today we have the Mad Bombers Camp Crystal Lake package haul video. Look at this. I just got this now in the mail, so I am now going to turn the camera around so that I can show you all the goodies in this box. Okay? All right. Okay, you guys. So first of all, this was in the package. And it says, this box includes Camp Crystal Lake drawstring backpack, cabin keychain, Camp Crystal Lake blood variant Jason bath bomb, summer camp body mist, You're Doomed enamel dangle pin by the Mad Bombers, Jason artisan soap by Loreworks, You're Doomed art print by the Risky Rabbit, vanilla bean Jason cookie vegan by Black Magic Cakery, Mallows of Carnage campfire bubble bar by Bedazzled Bath and Body Company. So now I'm going to show you. Oh my god. I'm so excited. This is my first themed box. Like literally my first themed box ever. Can you believe this stuff? Here is a cookie from Black Magic Cakery, and I follow her on Instagram. She always makes, anytime the Mad Bombers have a themed box, the Black Magic Cakery sometimes lends her magic skills and makes cookies in the thing. So then we also have a soap. This is so awesome. And you can see that there's Jason in there. This is by Loreworks. This is their Jason artisan soap. Camp Crystal Lake. This artisanal soap features Jason rising from his watery grave. With moisturizing glycerin to revive your skin, this soap will leave you feeling killer after each use. Great for face and body. Scented with notes of fresh ozone, forest fern, and green ivy. Handmade, 100% handmade, vegan, and cruelty-free. Awesome. And then, I love this, okay? I'm sorry, I love this dangle. Love it! I want to wear this. I want to put this on my jacket. This is so cool. And then, then we have a keychain. That's so cool. Room key. Camp Crystal Lake. This is marshmallow scented body mist. Summer camp body mist, and it's in the scent of marshmallow. I cannot wait to use this. And I'm going to just use it right now because why not, right? Put some on my... Wow. It does smell like marshmallows. Okay, let me take these all out while I'm showing you. And this is the cookie. Okay, and that's Black Magic Cakery, specializing in custom cakes, cookies, macarons, and much more. I love her logo. Isn't that cool? I love it. And then, so that's this. And then, oh, is this cool? The Jason bath bomb from the Mad Bombers. Look at it. Ooh, I love the paint. I love that metallic red paint there. Oh, it looks so awesome. I can't wait to see what this looks like in the bath. So yeah, I can't wait to take a bath with this. This is a bath already themed. And I'm going to save this for last. And look at this. This is so cool. The Camp Crystal Lake backpack. And then look at that. You guys know I like Bedazzled, okay? I've reviewed her things on my YouTube channel and on my Instagram feed, and I have photos of her yummy things on my blog and Instagram feed. I have yet to have a page write up for her in my blog, but I'm definitely going to after I use this, and I should have that up in a week. So this, oh, let me show you what it is. This is the Marshmallows of Carnage Solid Bubble Bath. Mutilated marshmallows toasted over smoky flames in twisted woods of vialed vanilla bean. Hold under running water to create a bloodbath of bubbles. I cannot wait. Oh, and her stuff smells so good. I mean, her stuff literally smells good enough to eat. I cannot wait to use this. Oh my gosh. So yes, I'm going to be having an upcoming theme of this bath soon. A bath cocktail with using all of these products. And here's an awesome print that is done by the Risky Rabbit on Instagram. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. So that is my Camp Crystal Lake Mad Bombers package, and I am so excited to get these. I cannot wait to do a themed bath with all of these products. So now I'm going to take a bath and I'm going to use these products and we'll see what they're like.